In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "This site can't be reached" vertical bar unexpectedly closed the connection and Google Chrome. This error usually means Chrome is having trouble using saved site data or your DNS settings to connect. We'll clear the problematic cache and cookies, switch Chrome to a reliable DNS provider, and restart the browser. This takes just a few minutes. One quick heads up: clearing cookies will sign you out of most sites, so make sure you know your logins before you begin. Open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner. Click the three-dot menu to open the browser menu. From there, choose Settings to open Chrome's settings page. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. This section controls your browsing data, site permissions, and security features. Next, select Clear Browsing Data. In some versions, it may be labeled Delete Browsing Data. It's the same tool. In the dialog that appears, set the time range to all time so we remove any corrupted data that might be lingering. Then, check cached images and files and cookies and other site data. The cache is a local copy of site files that can get outdated or corrupted, and cookies store session data that might be causing connection handshakes to fail. We're leaving history unchecked to keep your browsing history intact. Click Delete Data and wait for the process to complete. If you have a lot of stored files, this may take a moment. When it finishes, go back to the Privacy and Security page and click Security. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Find Select DNS Provider and open the drop-down. Choose Google Public DNS. DNS translates website names into the addresses your computer uses. Switching to a trusted public DNS often resolves connection errors caused by your default provider. If you see options that need expanding to reveal the DNS drop-down, expand them so you can select Google Public DNS. Now close the Settings tab and restart Google Chrome. Fully quit the browser and relaunch it to make sure all changes take effect. With Chrome reopened, try loading the website again. You should find that it opens properly now. Clearing the cache and cookies removed any corrupted session data, and switching to a reliable DNS provider helped ensure your browser can correctly resolve the site's address. If you had been running into this error on multiple sites, you'll often notice a broader improvement in stability and load times after these changes. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective. Follow these steps anytime you run into "This site can't be reached" with a sudden connection close in Chrome.